In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Stripe billing for subscriptions. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. This is where you can create the product that will be used for your subscription. Next, click Add Product or Create Product, depending on the version of the dashboard you see. Enter a clear name for your subscription product. This should be the name that helps you easily recognize the plan later. After that, go to the Pricing section and choose Recurring. This tells Stripe that the product will be billed on a repeating schedule instead of as a one-time payment. Enter the subscription price and make sure you select the correct currency for your customers. Now choose the billing period. For example, you can select monthly or yearly, depending on how you want to charge for the subscription. Once the price, currency, and billing period are set correctly, click Add Product to save it. When the product is created, take a moment to review it. Confirm that the recurring price is correct and that the billing period matches the subscription plan you want to offer. This quick check helps prevent billing mistakes later. Next, go back to the left-hand menu and click Billing. From there, open Subscriptions. This section allows you to create and manage customer subscriptions. Click Create Subscription to begin. Stripe will ask you to choose a customer. You can either select an existing customer from your account or create a new customer if needed. After the customer is selected, add the recurring product and price that you created earlier. Before you finish, review all of the subscription details carefully. Check the customer information, the selected product, the recurring price, and the billing settings. Make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. Once everything looks correct, click Create Subscription. Stripe will create the subscription and apply the recurring billing setup based on the plan you selected. To confirm that the setup is complete, return to the Subscriptions page. Look through the list and make sure the new subscription appears there. If you can see it in the list, that means the subscription has been created successfully. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.